going to Burney. We're going up there for Burney Basin Days. Gonna do what?
We are going to have an exciting day. First, we're going to go to the parade.
After that, I think we're going to go to Baum Lake and do a little bit of fishing. And then once we get done with all of that, it is fireworks. Found us a nice shady spot here.
Greatest spot.
Watch the parade. All right, so the parade was fun. But we're still going to do the fishing. But before we do that, we're stopping by at, I think it's Intermountain Valley Baptist Church. And they've got free chili dogs and games and stuff. So we're going to stop here and have some fun. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, it was fun. It is fun.
Yeah. All right, so this is Pastor.
Yes.
Can you explain to us exactly what's going on here today?
Well, we're just having a kickoff for our vacation Bible school, and we're having it July 10 to 14, and the theme is the Keepers of the Kingdom, standing for truth.
All right, just to clarify, that was the Intermountain Baptist Church, and that was pretty fun.
It was fun. It was a good time.
Yeah. Yeah, it's surprising Baptists can have fun. Did that surprise you?
It does not. They're full of Holy Spirit, and Holy Spirit is fun.
Oh, is that what it is? Well, I was just thinking, gosh, they have so much fun, and maybe I'll become Baptist. All right, out here on Baum Lake. Get in the main channel, then we're going to just paddle up and then we'll start drifting back, okay? But today I don't have that. I just have one small little tackle box that I am using because we're just going for some trout, and I am just using basically some spinners, and I bought a couple little blades that maybe we'll try that. Just gonna have some fun out here today. One little baby trout, and yeah, looks like a brown, German brown.
Oh, they're different kinds?
Yeah, so they're not very big, but we'll keep them on the stringer, take them for a little ride anyway. Of some sort that I just picked up at Burney Sporting Goods in Burney. I'll let you see what that is.
That's what it was. It's really nice looking, so that's what it was.
Yeah, that's what it was. My dad used to go for a long time to not catch a fish and finally catch one. He said, well, I finally caught a blind one. So maybe that's what happened. I caught a blind one. We've been out here for a while, and you know, I mean, came out here early mid-afternoon. Probably not the ideal time to go fishing for trout. But boy, what a beautiful lake, isn't it? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I believe there's a little bit of a channel over on this side, and we'll see if maybe we might kind of all the way down to where those rocks are down there. We'll fish down to those rocks along that, and then if we don't get anything, or if we get anything, either way, then we'll just call it a day. What do you say? Sound good? We're just gonna let you go. Here we go. Pretty little rainbow trout. And so hopefully we're getting that on film. Oh, pan size. Oh, there he goes. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. There we go. All right, so we've got 2 trout. We've got some nice bites here and there, and you know, some action, nothing too exciting. I know I don't fish this lake that much, and so I am definitely not the pro to be able to give great advice on this lake. I'm just I don't have a lot of trout gear, and so I just grabbed what I have, said, hey, we'll see if that works. And hey, we've caught a few and got a little bit of action out here, and so it's fun. It's a beautiful day on the lake. Definitely very warm. It's in the 90s. I'm not sure exactly how hot it is, but beautiful day. It's about 5 p.m. now. We're gonna turn around. We sort of made our way down Baum Lake. We're gonna turn around, start paddling back to the boat ramp, and you know, maybe fish a little bit along the way. Who knows? Maybe we'll catch another 1 or 2 fish. So having fun. One. Nice. Nice. All right, Mr. Fish. All right, come on, come on. Rainbow. Let's see if I can get him up there. Not bad. I see, probably go 11, 12 inches. So very nice. Thank you, Mr. Fish, for letting me catch you. And I caught you again in midair, but here you go. Come on, you got it. There it goes. There it goes. Catch you another day. All right, we're getting ready for the fireworks. We're here at Burney High School on the football field. People are already gathering. They've got all kinds of great food down here. This is an amazing community event. You know, we try to be supportive and celebrate. I see you're wearing your patriotic shirt.
That's right.
And I've got my my little mohawk thing here going on here. It's getting to see some people I hadn't seen in a while up here in Burney, and lots of fun. All right. Great fireworks show. What did you think?
Oh, It was so awesome. It's great. You did such
Yeah.
a good job. Wow.
Yeah, it was absolutely fabulous. Having fun though. It's a fun day. There is absolutely no doubt about it. I'm telling you, doing all of this, it does my soul well. But we're having fun out here. It's nice. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day. Just a little bit of wind.
Say that again.
I wasn't talking to you, Siri. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't.